Alexander was the most conquering by his hand, and the most generous of our ancestors of old. And Tristan was of all the lovers bold, the most loyal and did most of daring's stand. And Hector was the best without failing's trace of knights indeed, and in his outward face. And more courteous was Gawain in all seasons' grace, and wiser was King Solomon in wisdom's place. If I had those fine qualities to command, it would be better for me than two emperors hold, or two kings, though they have great honor told, and great power of lands and silver in their hand. For I would be rich in fair bearings, embrace, generous and loyal and bold, without fear's trace, wise and worthy, humble and loving in the race. And my intent would be in serving God's own grace.